For the Carnival match. That's yours, okay? This is mine. It's different. Oh my goodness, please. Y'all, we are going on vacation on the Carnival Magic. That's Ronald talking noise. As you, every time I cut the camera on, y'all, he always talking noise. Look at him. With the hat on that don't even match his, what he have on. Come on, so anyway, we're headed out.
You got your ID?
Yes. We're headed out. I want y'all to see Ronald. Today's Ronald's mama's birthday, and these are the shirts we got made for her. She don't know, so hopefully this one didn't ruin the surprise and tell her. Eh? Okay, so I'm gonna vlog. Hey, your phone ringing. I like your mama number. We are we're gonna vlog on this trip as much as we can, get more footage or whatever. So I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Okay, hey y'all. So we just got on the Magic. Just made it in our room. It's on you.
Oh yeah.
That's why I don't put you in my vlogs. So we just got on and we just made it into our room on the Magic. Y'all already know what the restrooms and everything look like. This restroom look bigger for some reason, or smaller, one of those. You see the restroom? So we got these shirts made. I showed it to y'all for Ronald's mom. Oh, my stomach look big, huh? That's the bed. Ronald ready to go eat, so we have not left yet. We're still in Galveston. That's why the water looks like that. But this is it. And we're just waiting. So we're gonna go eat. See y'all in a little bit. Hey y'all, so I just woke up from a nap. That's Ronald.
What up? What's up, YouTube?
I don't know if I showed y'all the shirts we have, but we're headed to his mama room because she wants to take pictures with all of us together. So that's what we're gonna do. So our room is down that way. Theirs is right here. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take pictures and I'll insert some clips of the shirts that we all have on together. Y'all, we are in, this is the first night of our dinner. We still have our original table for two. Excuse me, this is how it looks.
You gotta sing with.
I can't do it and Press 5.
Okay, here we go. Just a
All right, let's go around. Ronald.
You recording? You recording?
Yeah. See him? Come on, let's do the Get it, Ronald. Get it, Ronald. Get it. Get it. Get it. Jump around, break it down, girl. Look, they doing the cross right now. Look at her. That's her friend. That's her friend. That's that girl friend. Is it? Yeah, y'all. So it is day 3. Well, the first day was like I had for day, but it's day 3. It is Tuesday. And we're in Cozumel. We're getting ready to get off the boat. And Ronald is in there taking a shower. Shit. Say hi.
Oh, no, it's going down.
You know when your white trunks your mama bought you?
Not today.
Okay, well, this is my bathing suit. This is what I'm gonna swim in. I like this bathing suit. So anyway, we're gonna get off the boat and I'll vlog when I get off. What?
Take your stuff out the suitcase. I'm gonna bring that backpack.
Take my stuff out the suitcase?
Take your stuff out the bag and bring that backpack.
Okay, y'all. That water's so pretty.
Blue, huh? Watch out, this is right here.
Who?
Say what's gonna hit you. Ooh, well, I'm gonna hit you. Pick up over there.
Okay, so we're just relaxing. We just got out the pool. There's Ronald. And we're just relaxing. I know. This dude needs to move out the way. Ooh, look at them birds. I hope one of them don't fly on me.
looking at something like a tree. A girl told me that man that can dance like a possibly get down. Get it. Now I'm a ladies, let me see it vibrate. And when it's over, you ain't gonna need your body. Cause I'm a pro, make you bend your back low, let the pound of real fast.
Wobble baby, wobble baby, wobble baby, wobble, wobble baby, wobble baby, wobble baby, wobble baby, wobble baby. Get in there. Yeah, yeah. The beautiful Cayman Islands. That's another ship over there. I think it's the Carnival. What is that? The Carnival or something. I don't know what ship that is. I can't see. Sky is gray, but it's I mean it's blue, but it's like cloudy. So hopefully it doesn't rain on us. It's blue all over there. And it starts to get a little gloomy over here. But we're gonna have fun anyway. This is me. I just have on a regular bathing suit, the pink top. Oh my God, look at that booger man behind me. So we're about to get ready to go eat breakfast. And then we're gonna get off, I guess. And I'll vlog a little. I feel like we're still moving.
just like ours.
What is the name of that ship over there?
Carnival breeze, just like ours.
All right. Okay, you guys, so we just well, we've been on a boat for maybe about an hour and something now from Grand Cayman Islands. It was really pretty down there. The water is so pretty. I can just move and live down there. But we just been watching actually just watching TV, and we haven't even left yet. If y'all can see, we're still in the same place. And I'm on the balcony right now. And I'm just relaxing. We're about to order some room service, and then I think Rona's bringing me some ice cream. Tomorrow we go to Jamaica though. And I'm so ready for this. Like, this is why I wanted to come on a trip, to go to Jamaica. I wish I could just take a trip just to Jamaica and cut the rest of it out. I mean, I wouldn't be bothered by it because I had so much fun in Jamaica last time. So I know I'm going to have a blast this time. So I can't wait to go tomorrow to Jamaica. And then we'll have, so tomorrow's Thursday, so we'll have Friday night and Saturday night. So it's kind of bittersweet because it's almost time to go home, counting down the days. But we are enjoying ourselves. So let me show you guys. We got some little boats out here. So I don't know why we haven't left yet. We're supposed to have been back on the boat by 4:15. That's when the last boat dropped us back off. But it looks as if that's the little boat right there, y'all. That y'all see coming, like moving. That's the little boat that we had to get on to get across to there, because they don't have a dock that the boat can actually pull up to, because they don't want to damage something. I forgot what they said it was, but it looks like they're still dropping people off. So maybe they lied. We just wanted most of the people to get back on a thing, which we were done. We got in the beach and I took pictures and everything, so you guys will be able to see that. But yeah, just relaxing. I got my I Partied in Cozumel shirt on. I had this since last year, but we're having such a good time. I hate to go back to reality of going back to my job and going back to, why can't this just be the life? Why can't I just win the lotto? But here you go, Ronald.
I didn't know where you was at.
He didn't know I was out here. I hope he got my ice cream. But yeah. Oh my God, look what he put my ice cream in.
I know clean those things. I know spoons.
So what I supposed to eat it with?
You eat like this. It's the same thing.
Oh my God. Look at this. Look at this.
Your brother something.
Look.
Oh, let me see. Hey, Bruce!
Get him, baby. Get him.
Nice free guy. I wonder if it's a front.
Go ahead. Keep going. Keep going.
Stop, Phil. Stop.
Stupid nigga.
Oh, I'm so excited!
Prepare the tongue apart. Charlie, make them fly again.
Oh, let's get him,
Bow before the
Okay, hey you guys. So this is the last day. We are now in Texas, Galveston, Texas. They haven't started letting us off the ship yet. It's still like it's 7:50, so they probably start I think at 8:30. But we're at the top. We're the 10th deck, so we usually get off last anyway. But yeah, the trip overall, this was the best cruise, and I probably say this every time we go on a cruise, but really this time it was the best cruise. I mean, as far as like getting off at all three ports, we had fun at all three ports. I mean, Ronald is like sad because we have to get off the ship. It went by so fast, I guess, because we were having so much fun, and we didn't go by ourselves. We went with his mom and stepdad. It was her birthday week, and also her anniversary of her 6-year breast cancer thing. So we celebrated. We had so much fun. We did a lot of things that we never did before when we got off the ship, and even things that we never did while being on the ship, and you guys probably have already seen it. We went on the slide. Yes, I did go on the slide. I didn't record it, but I went on it one time, and his mom went on it. His stepdad went on it a few times also. We got in the adult jacuzzis, the pool. We just did a lot of things that usually we don't do because we're like, now we'll wait till we get off the ship. But we had so much fun. So yeah, Carnival Magic, as far as just like having fun, it's a good ship. Now this ship wasn't like it was when we first got on it. When we first got on it, it was like a party ship. It's more dancing and music playing. This time it was more kind of make the party yourself. Like they didn't do the deck party or anything like that. I was really surprised, but I mean, we still had fun. We still had a lot of fun. So yeah, we can't wait to plan our next one. I'm gonna try to get my sister on one next year probably, if God say the same and we're still here among the land of the living. Then we will definitely be going on another one. We had so much fun. I hope that you guys enjoyed the vlog. I hope that you guys felt the fun that we had, because we did. I hope that you guys enjoyed the pictures and everything else, and talk to you guys later. Deuces.